Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to change your menu font size in Shopify for mobile and also for desktop. This is my Shopify shop, and as you can see, the menu size or the menu font is a little bit smaller. Same thing for the mobile version. Let's switch to mobile, and this is the current menu font size for mobile. Now, how to make this menu font a little bit bigger? It's simple. Just log into your shop. Just go to shopify.com, click on login to log into your Shopify account. Now, below it says channels, click on online store. And next to your current theme, click on these three dots and select edit code. Now look for theme.liquid. This is our file, click on it. Now scroll down to the bottom of this page and locate, before that, make sure you are working on the correct file. Here it should say theme.liquid. After scrolling down to the bottom of this file, locate this closing body line, and before it, click on before body and hit enter multiple times to create empty lines. Now go to my website to this page. I will leave a link to this page in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below, and copy this piece of code like that. Copy and return to Shopify and paste it just like that. Now this is the code I've just copied. As you can see, it says style, header, menu item, font size is 18. Another line, media, max width, menu drawer, menu item, font size 22. So the first font size, as you can see here, the font size is 18 pixels. This is for desktop. As you can see, this is a comment for desktop. Make or adjust your size as you want. Let's say I want for desktop, I want 20 pixels. And for mobile, I will keep it 22 pixels. Now hit this save button and let's check the difference live. Now when I hit this refresh button, this navigation menu size should becomes bigger, and instead of refreshing on the same tab, I will refresh it on a different tab to see the difference. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. This is my new tab, and as you can see, this is the old font size, and this is the new one. This is the old and this is the new one. Now let's do the same thing but for the mobile version. This is my old menu font size. First I will switch to mobile and I will refresh this page in a new tab to see the difference. Click on inspect, switch to mobile. As you can see, it is already on mobile, and this is the old font size. Let's make this a little bit shorter, and this is the old one and this is the new one. And this is how to change your Shopify store menu font size for mobile and also for desktop. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.